welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Lisa Frank inspired look, and if you don't know who Lisa Frank is, Google it. She is most known for her notebooks and with the bright colors and rainbows and hearts and butterflies and unicorns that everybody had to have in the late 80s and early 90s, and that is what this look is inspired by. I really have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna do it together. And this is a collab with my friend Candace, and Candace is super awesome. She boldly embraces whatever crazy idea I throw at her and does it with me, and so I'm super excited to do this. So first thing we're going to do is create a rainbow across my face, but I kind of want mine to be mirrored, whereas in a lot of people don't do it mirrored, but I want mine mirrored, so that's what we're gonna work on. So first color from the Main Squeeze palette, let's see, is red. So let's see what kind of red we got going on here. I think I'm gonna go in with Like It's Hot, this color right here. Next color we are going to get into is going to be in the Orange You Get Glad palette, because again, rainbow effect. And I am going to go with the brightest orange I can find. And I think I'm going to have to blend between these two right here. I think I'm going to start out with this one and then blend out to this one. So now we are moving on to the Honey palette, and we are going to go in with Oh Behave and then Sweet Spot. Okay, so now we are moving on to Just My Luck, and we are going to go in, I think I'm going to go in with Natural Act and then Mo Bamba, these two right here. Actually, no, I think I'm just going to stick with Natural Act. Okay, so now we are moving into Blue Moon, and I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in with Fine China and then into Clued In. Alright, so now we're going to get into It's My Pleasure. We want really purple here, so I think I'm going to go in with Chicklet and then this one right here, and then I'm going to go into this one on the edge. So we've got the rainbow going on. I got these paint pens and BoxyCharm. They're this blue and pink. I think now I want to add some butterflies, and that's what I'm going to do, butterflies. Okay, so now I'm going to find blue eyeliner. I have blue somewhere, right? This may or may not work. This looks a little runny. They're not as pretty as I like, but that's okay. I want to make them prettier. I've got this Hank and Henry purple lip color here, and I am going to draw with it. So that's fun, but it still needs more everything. Let's see what more we can do. I think this is too close. Okay, I think I need hearts. So I have a blue gel pen, and I'm gonna draw some hearts because that seems Lisa Frank-ish, I guess. I don't know. We'll just go with it. Liking that. I'm going to take the pink under my eye waterline here. So I think I am feeling that at this point. I feel like I need a little more purple though. So I'm going to leave that there, and I am going to take this, I've got mess everywhere. So I'm going to use the liquid lip here, the blue liquid lip, as a top eyeliner. So purple lips is what I'm going to go with. Alright, so I think at this point I need to start dusting my face with some sparkle. Okay, so I'm just going to skip the highlight. I'm going to go straight in for the sparkle because that is what we're here for anyway. So I have this powdery Derma Mineral Loose Powder. Who is this by? I forget who it's by. Ofra. That's who it's by. Let's put that bad boy on. does it for that glitter, but we got to do more glitter because that is the kind of look we're going for. So I have a glitter palette right here, and I think because this is Lisa Frank inspired, I need to go in with this one first. Okay, so I'm going to take the Lickety Black just I'm going to do just a little around my eyes. Alright, so we're going to pop on some lashes. Know that these lashes were the smart choice for this look, but I think that's gonna, no, I think I need some rhinestone. There is my Lisa Frank look. I don't know how Lisa Frank that really is, but there it is. I hope you liked this. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my friend Candace's video. I will have it linked below and up top in the eye icon. If you like this video, please do not forget to like it and subscribe. Leave a comment below, and I hope to see you in the next video.